How to find your trade URL on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your trade URL on your Steam app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon to manage your account or view your profile. Before we go any further, I want you to head down below and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Alright, so once you are on your profile, you just want to head over to inventory right here on the right side of your screen. Just tap on it. And once you land on the inventory page, you want to head over to trade offers. And from here, head over to who can send me trade offers. So just tap on this page. And once you have done that, as you can see here on the third-party sites, you have an option to copy your URL. So you can share this unique URL with other Steam users to allow them to send you a trade offer, even if they aren't on your friend list. And you can share this URL anywhere, including on third-party trading sites and Steam community groups. And if you don't like this URL, you can just go ahead and create a new one. So just tap on it, and creating a new URL will make your previous URL inactive, and if you have shared it to anyone or posted links, it will not work again. So if you tap on create new URL, it will give you a new URL. So you can just copy this, and then you can paste it anywhere you want. And if someone clicks on the link, they will be eligible to send you a trade offer. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.